What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today because we've got a wallet for you that has ledger details. It is super safe and really easy to get amongst. So, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. We're going to get into this video right now to teach you and hopefully inspire you to keep your crypto safe, but also it's not hard to get in the crypto game. Easily to get in, but keeping it safe is the key. Let's roll the video. So here we go, guys. It's SafePal.io. Quick overview of the website. We've got the home, the products, the app, the upgrade, the asset, the SFP, the blog, and the about. Super cool. You can already see by the name what's it going to do. It's going to keep everything safe for you, right? Always secure and protected wherever you go. Now, the products we've got the SafePal S1, which, top tip, that's my favorite. And we have the SafePal Cypher, which a lot of people are raving about. It's an unpopular opinion of my friends. They like the Cypher better. I like the S1. Super cool. This is getting a 4.85 reviews, and this is getting a 5 reviews. So I can see why they like that better. Now you have the SafePal leather case as well. I'm going to touch on all of these, right? About what these are. So it enables people to own and control their assets. Store, secure, and manage crypto assets at your fingertips. You can store all your crypto on here and just by a fingertip access them, right? Super safe. It's dedicated to providing a secure and user-friendly crypto management platform for the masses and secure and grow their crypto assets. It's now serving more than 3 million. Let me highlight this for you. 3 million users. So you've got to know this is working. More than 196 countries through unique hardware. Founded in 2018, 196 countries we've covered. You can see on the dots here whereabouts we are. I'm just over here in sunny England. 10,000 plus digital assets and products update every 2 to 3 weeks. They take solid steps towards the future. So as you can see, SafePal was founded, receiving Binance strategy investments, moving all the way through. You got the Binance Chain, the Binance DEX, Wallet Connect, Simplex. Going through, so all the way 2020, then they started getting into the Bet20 networks, and then you can see here a huge month for them on the 6th month of 2020, getting into all of the different blockchains, the tokens, cross-chain, swap supporting functions going on. Then they released the software wallet. Then we're moving through again, flying through. SafePal launched the TKO and OOE, going through supported Theta and Polygon, which is huge. Then they got supported Solana. Moving through Cardano and through the other big ones that we've got. And SafePal Earn is live. SafePal launch NT wallet holder offerings. Now we're here, okay? Moving through 2022. Aims to make crypto secure and simple for everyone. That's the big bit I want to point out. A lot of companies are making it secure for crypto. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of companies. But not a lot of companies are like SafePal that are making it secure and safe, right? And the added bonus of making it really simple. We have secure and safe, which a lot of people are trying to do. But making it simple is a very hard thing to do in crypto. And these are really doing it well. It's endorsed by the industrial leaders. Guess who that is? Binance and SafePal. Binance are just romping the crypto scene. Now let's dive right into it. So the SafePal S1 hardware wallet, you can see here the price is down to $49.99. It's super easy. You can see the picture of it here scrolling through, just as big as a little bit of paper that you write on or a business card. That's how incredible this is. There's loads of different add-ons and things you can get for it. Scan the QR code on there and you can access your wallet at any time. Okay, it's super safe. Not everybody can just get on there. Okay, you've got to have your words, fingerprints, things like that. It's also super secure. All you gotta do to buy is use the links down below. Please use only trusted links. Get on here and add one to your cart and get it bought. Now, why should you buy this one? We have the EAL 5+ independent secure element, true random number generator, so it'll never be the same. Multiple layers of security sensors, as you can see through here, and the self-destruct mechanism. Very sturdy. I don't know anyone that's broke one yet. 100% online gate sign and mechanism. Trust the cold surger. So it doesn't have Wi-Fi, it doesn't have Bluetooth, no NFC, no USB. Nobody can get into this. Okay, it's simple, it's super safe. Manage unlimited tokens all in one device. So these are all the tokens. Have a look, see if you own any of these, and you can get them on there. But like I said, these are the top. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. You want to go through all these. If you've got VET, if you've got Polygon, if you've got Solana, Cardano, things like that, you can store them on here. You can view every single supported one on there. This is just the top ones. Only the size of a credit card, which is perfect, so it can fit in your pocket. Super light, easy to carry around, and you can manage your crypto 24/7. What do you get when you buy this? You get the actual wallet. You get a cleaning cloth. You get a phrase card. You get a user manual to read up on it, a sticker, so you stick that on your laptop or something. And you get the USB cable. Operation temperature, so you have a camera, tiny little camera at the bottom The screen's going to be there, then all your different menu bits, and you've got a charger port. These are all the reviews. Have a look. Please, if you have one, write a review. Let us know how it is. Okay, the battery can actually endure 20 days based on 10 minutes daily use. You're not going to need more than 10 minutes if you're checking your crypto. Now, if you're wondering where you can get it, you can get it on the App Store and the Google Play and the Android, right? You can get it on basically any phone if it's definitely made from a good supplier. Any app can do it. Current version is iOS 3.4.2, Android 3.4.2 also. Just scan this QR code or click the relevant app and download it to your phone. Super, super easy. Okay, it's just a simple interface. It's like any other crypto wallet. You get your phrase, you get the private key, the key store, public address observation, and you will get in there, scan it, pair it, and you are set up, ready to go. Then you can do whatever you want with your crypto, right? Please, one big tip, please only use the links down below. We don't want you going onto random sites. People make fake sites that look the same and end up taking your money and taking your phrases, which is more risky. You don't want anyone to get access to your crypto wallet. Now, talking about all the assets, like I said, they do have every single one in here, right? These are the biggest ones. You can keep loading. You're telling me, George, do they have every single one? You're saying that right. Let's have a look. Phantom. For example, they've got every different kind of Phantom token. They've got the FTM. They've got all the different species of Phantom. Let's type another one. Do they have CRO coin? Crypto.com coin. Of course they support that. Okay, super, super easy. I can't think of another one right now. Hold on. Let's go with Litecoin. Do they have Litecoin, George? Yes, of course they do. Do they have ApeCoin? If you noticed one of our videos before, we actually talk about ApeCoin. They even have ApeCoin, okay? The NFT token from Bored Ape Yacht Club. So they have everything supporting on there just to prove that to you. It's super, super easy. And you can actually have a look what they do. So this supports buying of Bitcoin, swap in, send, receive. When you go down to ones like ApeCoin, you will see that it supports sending and receiving. We don't support the buying and swap, but you can still store it there and send and receive. Now, talking about the SFP, it's short for SafePal token, a utility token that fuels the entire SafePal ecosystem. So this is their native token. All right, I just want to quickly show you where we're at with it right now. So looking at the actual SafePal token, you can see it is off $0.33 right now. You can go onto the different exchanges and have a look at it. Please only use the contract address here with the links down below. You do not want to get stung by using one that's not right, okay? See how many holders we are, how many addresses, all the transactions every single couple of minutes. So we know it's a very active coin. You can go into the white paper just by clicking there and have a real dig in and do your own research. Here are the cases. You get free discount, bonus programs, rewards, incentives, community governments. How do you get it? Download the app, buy SafePal on the wallets, use the services if you need to, join the communities, invite friends and families. All you got to do is download the app and buy the coin. Simple as that. You can click download there, or like I showed you before, just download it. Now to finish this incredible project on the Twitter, it is at iSafePal. Please use the links down below. 507,000 followers. Now I've checked them out and there's some huge brands behind this, as you can tell. You want to get into their Discord by clicking here. Click on Binance and have a look at the SFP token. Give some engagement. They do giveaways on here all the time. You want to let them know you're from this channel. Big us up and try and win some of the giveaways. They let you know what partnerships they're on. I want you to put in the comments, once you followed them, just click the follow button, put in the comments you followed, and you're ready to get involved. So guys, what did you think of that? I'm super excited, okay? Well, the main point from everything that we want to get across to you is not to try and make money, but to do it safely. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe. Hit that little notification bell to let us know that we are ready to notify you on the move when we've got a new project. Okay, have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.